Hello, good evening. Today's current economics topic is of agrovoltaic farming. Have you heard of agrovoltaic farming? It is a coexistence of agriculture on the one side and solar energy on the other side. That means in one piece of land, how much is the agriculture product that can be produced without any cost? How much quantity of solar energy can be tapped? Why this agrovoltaic farming? That is an important topic that we expecting for the competitive examination. That is discussing through this video. Before that, for connecting this, first of all we should understand about this International Solar Alliance Assembly. That was a forum or a conference that held in France in 2015. President of that conference was of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The co-president of that forum was of France. Around 120 countries are the members of this conference. This conference highlighted the importance of tapping solar energy for the future generation, because the existing conventional energy sources are overexploited. At the same time, they are perishing in quantity because of that overexploitation. Future generation cannot depend these conventional energy sources. So we should give emphasis to these sustainable energy sources. Solar energy, sun is the sustainable energy sources. It is not perishable. So we should, the whole nations that should give emphasis for this tapping of this solar energy at the maximum level. That was the highlight of that conference. The seventh section of that conference was hosted by India in 2024 in Delhi. That is in Bharat Mandap, hosted there. Specialty of our India Bharat Mandap is that of almost all these environment related sustainable resources related conference are hosting in there. In this conference, India was again selected as the president of this conference. Main agenda of that conference is that of agrovoltaic farming. What are the potentialities of exploiting this agrovoltaic farming, and in various dimensions of this agrovoltaic farming techniques were discussed by the delegates in this international conference. In this conference, more than 120 nations delegates, they visited a farm in Najagarh in Delhi, where having that agrovoltaic farming, to see the practical section of this agrovoltaic farming and practicability of this agrovoltaic farming methods. The delegates visited that area. So by connecting to all this, we can expect this agrovoltaic farming as a question for the competitive examination. I think most of you consider it is a valuable topic. Thank you.